ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 811। साध्य विषयक ऐषणा एंड साधन विषयक ऐषणा उभे ही एव ऐषणे भवतः। इन टीका थर्ड लाइन फोर्थ लाइन फ्रॉम बॉटम। पुरुषार्थ रूपाद विपरीता सा हेया। दैट विच इज नॉट मोक्ष पुरुषार्थ रूप, that should be given up. Any ऐषणा साध्य साधनयोर ऐषणात्वं साधयति। उभे ही एते ऐषणे एव साधन फले ऐषणे एव भवतः। ट्वाइस इट इज देयर। फर्स्ट वन उभे ही एते साधन फले ऐषणे एव भवतः। देयर इज साधन ऐषणा एंड फल ऐषणा। आइदर आई वांट द गोल or I will take the means for that goal. That is all I am interested in. And Yagnopavita is a means. तथापि यज्ञोपवीत्यादीनां कर्मणां च कथम ऐषणात्वम्? How Yagnopavita is ऐषणा, has ऐषणात्वम्? Because you are saying give up Yagnopavita. And karma, you say give up karma. How they have ऐषणात्वम् इति आशंक्य साधनांतर भावात्. They are the sadhana. यज्ञोपवीतादेश तत्साध्य कर्मणां च साधनत्वात्. Yajñopavitadi, they are the sadhana for the sadhya karma. Then karma is not for its own sake. Karma is for some swarga, some brahmaloka, something. Swarga is also not for its sake. Swarga is for sukham. If someone says from tomorrow there will be dukkham in swarga, nobody will go there. Or if someone says, it was very well, like they used to say, if you follow your religion, you will go to Naraka. You say, if you are going to Swaraga, I'd rather go to Naraka only. टीका तयोर ऐषणात्वं कथम प्रतिज्ञा मात्रेण सेत्स्यति? सेत्स्यति, what is the dhatu?
Siddha dhatu.
Siddha dhatu, what is the root? Artha.
Drit lakara.
But what is the artha? Siddha dhatu? Not sich, siddha. Siddha, there are two dhatus. Siddharadhantav, I think. And there is Siddha.
Samradhau Gatyam.
What is the other one?
Gatyam Swamiji.
Satyam. Samradha. Samradha. सो हाउ एषणात्वं तयोः कयोः
साध्यसाधनयोः
साध्य साधनयोः एषणात्वं कथं प्रतिज्ञा मात्रेण सेत्स्यति हाउ सेत्स्यति मीन्स सिद्ध्यति by प्रतिज्ञा मात्र हाउ यू विल डू इट सिद्धि उभे ही एते एषणे एव इति हेतुवचनेन अवधारणात् बिकॉज दिस इज द हेतु both of them are eshana eva this avadharana says that this is the hetu they have eshanatvam tayor eshanatve siddhe phalitamaha when they have eshanatvam then what is the phalitam यज्ञोपवीतादि साधनात् तत्साध्येभ्यश्च कर्मभ्यो अविद्या विषयत्वात् एषणा रूपत्वाच्च जिहासितव्य रूपत्वाच्च व्युत्थानं विदित्सितम् एव यज्ञोपवीतादि साधनात् तत्साध्येभ्यश्च फ्रॉम द साधन एंड इट्स साध्य कर्म कर्मभ्यः which is avidya विषयत्वात् एषणा रूपत्वाच्च they are avidya vishayak and eshana they are in the form of desires only jihasitavya rupatvacha because it is eshana it should be given up jihasitavya rupatvacha vyutthanam viditsitam vyutthana and sannyasa vidhanam is given. Now specific discussions on sannyasa. Nanu let's see tika first. आत्मज्ञान विधिरेव संन्यास विधिः इति उक्तत्वात् व्युत्थाय इति अस्य नास्ति विधित्वम् इति शंकते. आत्मज्ञान विधि is संन्यास विधि. आत्मज्ञान विधि is आत्मावारे द्रष्टव्य एक्सेट्रा is विधि वाक्य. So संन्यस्य श्रवणं कुर्यात्. To do shravanam you have to renounce everything. Means you have to give time, enough time for studies. So Atmajnana Vidhi itself is sannyasa vidhi. It is said. Vyuthaya iti asya nasti vidhitvam. So then Vyuthaya doesn't have vidhitvam iti shankate Purvapakshi. Nanu Upanishad Atmajnana Paratvat Vyuthana Shruti Tastutyartha na vidhi. Upanishad is Atmajnana Para. Upanishad is not sannyasa para. Therefore, Vyuthana Shruti is only Stuti. It is Arthavada, it is not Vidivakya. Siddhantis will say, Vyuthaya Viditva iti Pathakramam Atikramya. What is the Pathakrama? Before that,
तमेतम् आत्मानं विदित्वा
Viditva first. Then, wherever there is Tva Pratyaya or Lya Pratyaya, you have to keep them in mind. Viditva, Vyuthaya, Vrikshacharyam Charanti. Okay, three things are there. First is Viditva. This is the Pathakrama. Viditva, Vyuthaya, Vrikshacharyam Charanti. Tikakar says, Vyuthaya Viditva iti Pathakramam Atikramya. Pathakramat अर्थक्रमो बलीयान. Then the Pathkrama, Arthakrama is Baliyan. What is the Drishtanta? Anybody remembers? What? Don't tell me in English. And somebody. Yavagum Pachati. Agnihotram Juhoti. Anybody remembers that we studied this once upon a time? Agnihotram Juhoti.
Yes, sir.
Yavagum Pachati. But first it is said Yavagum Pachati. Then it is said Agnihotram Juhoti. But Yavagu Paka is for Agnihotra. So Arthakrama is Baliyan. So here Acharya says Pathakramam Atikramya. If you say Viditva Vyuthaya Bhikshacharyam, so then that Viditva will be Paroksha Jnanam, Apatata Jnanam, that Jnanam will become Prayojaka Jnanam. Then Vyuthanam from the Ashana, then Sannyasa. If you take different krama, Artha krama, Vyuthaya first, then Viditva, then Guru Upasatti. So that will become Vidhi for Vividisha. That's what he says. Vyuthaya Viditva iti Pathakramam Atikramya Vyakhyane. Bhavati eva ayam Vividishor Vidhihi iti. Pariharati na Viditsita iti. This line is clear? For Vividisha to become Vidhi, first Vyuthanam means first you, even if you don't know anything, but you let go of certain desires and then you go and then gain some knowledge, then do Shravanam Manam Ityadi. Na Viditsita Vijnanena Samadna Kartrikatva Shravanat. Na. Why? Viditsita Vijnanena Samana Kartrikatva Shravanat. Samana Kartrikatva is between or is among all those three. What are the three?
Putreshana, Vitteshana, Lokeshana.
Samana Kartrikatva Viditva Vithaya Vikshachara. In these three. Wherever there Tva Pratyaya or Lya Pratyaya is Samana Kartrikatva. Samana Kartrikayoho Purvakale. Samana Karta the Purvakala Kriya. So here we are trying to see what is the Purvakala Kriya. Is Viditva Purvakala, then Vyuthaya, then Bhikshacharyam, or Vyuthaya, then Viditva, then Bhikshacharyam. But Karta is same. Same Karta who is going to know, is going to let go of Yashanatraya, will take sannyasa. Only thing is whether it is for Vividisha or is it for Vidvat sannyasa. So if you take Arthakrama like Vyuthaya, then Viditva, then Bhikshacharyam, it will work for Vividisha, it will become a Vidhi. If you take Pathakrama, टीका पाठक्रमे अपि प्रयोजक ज्ञानवतो विरक्तस्य भवति एव अयं विधिः इति अभिप्रेत्याः. Same vidhi will happen. First he has apatata jnanam, then vyuthanam, then he becomes sannyasi. So for prayojaka jnanavan also viraktasya bhavati eva ayam vidhi iti abhipratyaha. Nahi अकर्तव्येन कर्तव्यस्य समानकर्तृकत्वेन वेदे कदाचिदपि श्रवणं संभवति. नहीं अकर्तव्यत्वेन कर्तव्यस्य समानकर्तृकत्वेन वेदे कदाचिदपि श्रवणं संभवति। अकर्तव्यस्य कर्तव्य, what I am not supposed to do, if I do that, like that, in समानकर्तृकत्वेन वेदे, in Vedas, कदाचिदपि श्रवणं न संभवति. Means Veda will ask you to do only that where samana kartrakatva is there and it is your kartavya also. If it is akartavya, then for that samana kartrakatvena shravanam na sambhavati. उक्तमेव अन्वय मुखेन उदाहरण द्वारा विवृणोति. Now that through an example उदाहरण द्वारा विवृणोति. कर्तव्यानामेव हि अभिशव होम भक्षणानां यथा श्रवणम अभिषुत्य हुत्वा भक्षयन्ति इति तद्वद आत्मज्ञान एषणाव्युत्थान भिक्षाचर्याणां कर्तव्यानामेव समान कर्तृकत्व श्रवणम भवेत्. दृष्टांत ही गिव्स कर्तव्यानामेव. सो अभिशव इज ए होम. अभिशव होम of that bhakshanam, abhishava homa bhakshananam, yatha shravanam, how abhishutya bhutva bhakshayanti. He has given in Drishtanta 3 kriyas. First is lyabanta, second is ktva, third is bhakshayanti. I will not say it is lat lakara because it could be late also. It will come. Tadvat, in the same way, Atma Jnana Eshana Vyuttha, Atma Jnana 1, Eshana Vyutthanam 2. Atma Jnana means Viditva, Eshana Vyutthanam means Vyutthaya. And Bhikshacharyanam Kartavyanam Eva Samana Kartrakatva Shravanam Bhavet. This is what Siddhanta says. So just like how it is there in case of Abhishava Homa Bhakshanam. Tika, what is that Abhishava thing? Abhishutya somasya kandanam kritva rasam adaya. This is Abhishutya. Somasya kandanam kritva. Soma, lata you take. Kandanam means you might do kut, like pounding a little. Then rasam, take rasa out of that. We have to see what is this somalata. So many other things we drink. At least I will look in the AI for the answer. Sarva Gurunam Guru. Okay. Pathakramam eva ashritya shankate. Let's say we don't do arthakrama. We just keep the pathakrama. Avidya vishayatvat eshanatvat cha artha prapta आत्मज्ञान विधेय एव यज्ञोपवीतादि परित्यागो न तो विधातव्य इति चेत. Okay, you said एषणा or अविद्या विषय. अविद्या विषयत्वात् एषणात्वात् च. So both of them are for यज्ञोपवीत कर्म etc. अर्थ प्राप्त आत्मज्ञान विधेय एव विधातव्य. Atmajnana vidhi vidhanam can be there. But yajñopavitadi parityaga natu vidhatavya. There is no vidhanam for yajñopavita parityaga. Iti chet. Tika. प्रयोजक ज्ञानवतो विरक्तस्य आत्मज्ञान विधि सामर्थ्य लब्धस्य यज्ञोपवीतादि त्यागस्य कर्तव्य आत्मज्ञानेन समान कर्तृकत्व श्रवणात् अतिशयेन आवश्यकत्व सिद्धिरिति उत्तरम आह। प्रयोजक ज्ञानवतः, the one who has prayojaka jnana, that apatata jnana, paroksha jnana, and who is a virakta also. For that person, atma jnana vidhi samarthya labdhasya. So now atma jnana vidhi is there for that person. On the strength of that, yajnopavitadi tyaga vidhi will arise. यज्ञोपवीतादि त्यागस्य कर्तव्य आत्मज्ञानेन समान कर्तृकत्व श्रवणात्. So is the same karta, the one who has prayojaka jnana, the one who is virakta, the one who wants vidivat atmajnanam after upasatti etc. For the same person, yajnopavita tyaga is there. समान कर्तृकत्व श्रवणात् अतिशयेन आवश्यकत्व सिद्धिः इति उत्तरम्। अतिशयेन आवश्यकत्व सिद्धिः न सुतराम् आत्मज्ञान विधिना एव विहितस्य समान कर्तृकत्व श्रवणेन दार्ढ्य उपपत्तिस् तथा भिक्षाचर्यस्य च। Sutaram. Sutaram means Sutaram. Sutaram comes in Brahma Sutra Adhyasa Bhashya. In first line itself. विषय विषयणो तम प्रकाशवत् विरुद्ध स्वभावयो इतरेतर भावानुपपत्तौ तद्धर्माणामपि सुतराम इतरेतर भावानुपपत्ति. Sutaram means totally, completely. Sutaram means absolutely. Sutaram atmajnana vidina eva vihitasya. Through atmajnana vidhi alone, what is attained, samana kartrukatva shravanena, and by this samana kartrukatva, what is heard, this yajnopavitadi tyaga, dardya upapattis, tatha bhikshacharya cha. In the same way, bhikshacharya is also for the samana karta. टीका व्युत्थाने दर्शितम न्यायम भिक्षाचर्ये अपि अतिदिशति. Vyutthanam is also for the same person, Bhikshacharya is also for the same. Bhikshacharya cha atmajnana vidhina ekavakyasya tathaiva dardhya upapattir iti sambandha. Bhikshacharya cha atmajnana vidhina ekavakyatvam. Atmajnana vidhi is there, Bhikshacharya will have ekavakyata with Atmajnana vidhi. So Atmajnana has vidhi, therefore Bhikshacharya will become vidhi. Tathaiva dardya upapatti. Then only the dridha upapatti will happen. Dardya upapatti means the Atmajnana Dardhyartham. How it is given in Vakya Vritti? Aham Brahmeti Vakyartha Bodho Yavad Dridhi Bhavet Shamadhi Sahitastavad Abhyaset Shravanadikam. Aham Brahmeti Vakyartha Bodho Yavad Dridhi Bhavet. So that Dardhyartham. For Dardya Upapatti of Atmajnanam. So earlier also you already said Viditva, he had Prayojaka Atmajnanam. But that Jnanam is not Dridha. Jnanam is not drada means it has samshaya viparya is there. And for that, in the same way, bhikshacharya also will help him in dardya. Because bhiksha means you actually are begging for food. No matter who you are, you have to leave your ahankara. Go and ask for food. Not that there is a pre-appointment and that this time, this place, this house, and I want this food, this the menu. I will come for bhiksha, and then you make it, then they make it. This is bhiksha means actually you have to become bhikshu to ask for it. When you go, then you ask. The whole objective is your ahankar should be beaten. In all of them, this is the only objective. And they give the example when the rich person who is a Kundali, Brahma Sutra Bhashya, it is given the example. So he identifies with Kundala. Let's say he wears some expensive golden Kundala or a diamond or something. He is a royal person, he is very rich, and he takes sannyasa. Kundalas are not there. Now he is not Kundalin anymore. And he goes for bhiksha. So the whole purpose is I don't identify with anything other than Atma. I am Dhani. Kundali means I have Kundala. Kundala yasya asti iti Kundali. So then I have something with which I identify so much that that becomes my primary identity. I want Brahma as my primary identity. So what I should do? I have to let go of all other things. So that's why you give up relations, so that they don't become your identifiers. There is a reason for this prakriya. And you take that vow at the time of sannyasa, and then every day you have to remember those mantras. In the gist of what you have announced in the presence of fire, in the presence of teacher, that what you are going to give up. Every day you have to remember. And here, when you take dip in Ganga, you take sannyasa. So then that reminder, every day Ganga darshan is for this. That here, standing here, I took the vow like this. Wherever, if somebody has taken sannyas somewhere else, when you see Ganga, you have to remember that. When you see Himalaya, you have to remember that. That is the objective. So, all these things are for that reminder. So, that is for Dardya Upapatti. व्युत्थानादि वाक्यस्य अर्थवादत्वम उक्तम अनुद्य दूषयति. व्युत्थानादि वाक्यस्य अर्थवादत्वम. Somebody said Vyutthana, they are just, means all this Yajñopavita Tyaga is Arthavada only. Vidhi is only for Atma Jnanam. That what was said, Siddhanti gives Dushanam in that. Yat Punaruktam Vartamana Apadeshat Arthavada Matram Iti. Vartamana Apadeshat or Upadesha? What is your reading? You will ask where? 813. Upadesha? Where? No, Bhashya first line. Vartamana Apadesha. But we have to see some other text reading. Anyway, Apadesha also means Upadesha only. Vartamana Apadesha. Where is Vartamana Apadesha?
चढ़ंती चढ़ंती स्वामी
हाँ, where it is?
चढ़ंती 104
हाँ, चरंती, correct. Dikshacharya charanti. That charanti is lat lakara. That is vartamana. Vartamana kriya is given. It is not vidhi vakya. So how sannyasa is, there is no vidhanam for sannyasa. There is vidhanam for atma jnanam. Purvapakshi will say. Iti na Siddhanti says. Audumbara yupadi vidhi samanatvat adosha. In Audumbara yupadi vidhi is samanam. How? See, tika. Audumbaro yupo bhavati ityadau late parigrahena विधि स्वीकारवत् अत्रापि पंचम लकारेण विधि सिद्धेर नार्थवादत्व शंका इत्यर्थः. Which is the पंचम लकार? What is the तृतीय? Online students, tell me what is तृतीय लकार?
Lut lakara.
And what is षष्ठ लकार?
Late.
And what is panchama? Panchama is late. Here it is given panchama lakarena late parigrahena. After late, what will come? Lot. It is in the alphabets only.
According to Acharya, according to Pratyahara Sutra, we have to count, Acharya.
You have to count how it is given in the sutras. So, you can use a Maheshwar Sutra for that also. First is Lat. Then what will come after Lat? Lit.
Lat,
Lit. Tell. Lat, lit.
Lut.
Because la, la, li, lu. So Lat, lit, lut. Then
Lit.
lit.
And then lo.
Then late. Then lot. Then afterwards, lung. Then
Ling,
ling.
lung and rung.
Then lung rang. So there also panchama lakarena vidhi siddhi in audumbaro yupo bhavati. Audumbaro yupo bhavati. Bhavati is lat lakara. But you do vidhi, taking it as late lakara. So vidhi svikar, how you have done there, you do here also. In other words, bhikshacharyam charanti is not lat lakara. It is late lakara. In the same way, in tametam vedanuvacanena brahmanaha vividishanti yajnena danena tapasa anashakena. So there also vividishanti, you can take it as late lakara. No, not that one, the other one. Ichhacharyam is here only. Atmaneva atmanam pashyat. That shanto danta uparata stitikshu shraddhavitto bhutva atmaneva atmanam pashyati, even it is given. There you have to take late lakara. संप्रति प्रकृते वाक्ये पारिव्राज्य विधिम अंगीकृत्य स्वयूथ्यः शंकते. संप्रति इदानीं प्रकृते वाक्ये, in this वाक्य पारिव्राज्य विधिम अंगीकृत्य. चलो, some people accept that पारिव्राज्य विधि is there, sannyasa is there. Now swayuthya means some people within the paksha, they have objection. व्युत्थाय भिक्षाचर्यं चरन्ति इति अनेन पारिव्राज्यं विधीयते. संन्यास विधानम इज देयर. पारिव्राज्य आश्रमे च यज्ञोपवीतादि साधनानि विहितानि. Those who are those who have not taken sannyasa and probably they are thinking, I will not take sannyasa, they will wonder, why should I study this? You study this for next life. पारिव्राज्य आश्रमे च यज्ञोपवीतादि साधनानि विहितानि लिंगम च श्रुतिभिः स्मृतिभिश्च. पारिव्राज्य आश्रमे च यज्ञोपवीतादि साधनानि विहितानि. Somebody says, in sannyas ashram also yajnopavita you need to have. Yajnopavitadi sadhanani vihitani. Where he will give some other uddharanam. See, tika. Katar hi vipratipatti. Where is the vipratipatti? Because he says, Purupaksha says, in sannyas ashram also yajnopavita sadhana you can have. Katar hi vipratipatti is Siddhanti asking Swayuthya. Because Swayuthya says, Parivrajyam vidhiyate, but he is asking as if there is a objection. So what is the vipratipatti? This. Lingam tridandatvadi. Linga is a tridanda. Means yajnopavita also you need danda etc. also. Tridanda. Purane yajnopavite visrujya navam upadaya ashramam pravishet tridandi kamandaluman इत्याद्याः श्रुतयः स्मृतयश्च. पुराणे यज्ञोपवीते विसृज्य. पुराणे यज्ञोपवीत द्विवचनम दे. यज्ञोपवीतम नपुंसकलिंग. आई एम अज्यूमिंग ऐसा मान करके. बिकॉज टू यज्ञोपवीत इफ दे आर देयर. पुराणे यज्ञोपवीते विसृज्य एंड नवम उपादाय. द न्यू यज्ञोपवीत you have to take. Ashramam pravishet. So somebody says there is a vidhanam in smriti that you give up old yajnopavit, but you take new before you enter in sannyas ashram. And you should also have danda and you should have kamandal. Kamandalu, somebody was telling me, they are very expensive now. Because they are not like how earlier it used to be, in Kashi and all. And one Mahatma actually came here and he was asking me, Swamiji, somebody is a devotee of some other Swami. They want to give Kamandalu to that Swami. So they said in Rishikesh it is available. So come here. I say, you look for. I knew it is. It is not like how it used to be. Then he said, I will order online. Kamandalu. Ityadyaha shritaya smutaya. People want such things around. So that I look sannyasi. They will never use Kamandalu for Bhiksha. They will never use Kamandalu to fill Ganga Jal, etc. It is lying there to show everyone. Earlier it used to be different. They used to eat in Kamandalu. I have seen Mahatmas here. In Corona time, some people used to come. In Kamandalu only they will eat. It is not to show the austerity. This is their life. To show austerity somewhere for photograph is different. And lifestyle is totally different. What is the use? We generally end up in the second category. Eshanatvat yajnopavitadinam api tyajyatvam uktam iti ashankya. Siddhanti will say, Mukhya Siddhanti, Yajnopavita is also indication of Eshana. Therefore, its Tyajyatvam is mentioned, Uktam. This is also said, when they do selective quoting, that this is said, this is other things are also said. इति आशंक्य श्रुति स्मृति वशाद व्युत्थाने संकोचम अभिप्रत्या. So therefore, because these Shruti Smriti are there, you have to do Sankocha of Vyutthana. Atastad varjayitva anyasmad Vyutthanam eshanatve api iti chet. So therefore, Yagnopavitadi you leave, because their Vidhanam is there in Shruti Smriti. Other things you can give up. From there, Vyutthanam. Understood what he said, right? You do this kind of selection. Keep Yagnopavit, keep Kamandalu, Tridanda, etc. Other things from there, Vyutthana. Iti chet, this Ekadeshi or Swayudhya. Siddhanti says, na. Udaharata Shruti Smriti nam Vishayantaram Darshayan Uttarama. Udaharata Shruti Smriti, there is some Vishayantaram. Anyat Vishayo Vishayantaram is avyaya. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.